what I got. Oh, look what I got. I'm so excited about this. I have been wanting a drone for a very long time, and I finally pulled the trigger and got the DJI Mavic Air 2. Actually, I don't even know everything that comes in this box, and that's what we're here to do today. A quick unboxing of the Mavic Air 2 Fly More kit. You guys, you have no idea how excited I am about this. Let's take a look at what's in the box with me today. My trusty Swiss Army knife, Victorinox, slicing this guy open, seeing what's inside, and going over the contents. Let's take a look. Okay, here we are. The DJI Mavic Air 2. Back here. And on the back of the box, it does give you a list of things that are inside. I'm not even gonna read it. I'm gonna open it up and find out for myself. This is the moment you've all been waiting for. Well, maybe not you, but this is the moment that I've been waiting for. Oh, the box it's just got that nice vacuum seal. That feels just, it's so satisfying. Oh, well, that's okay. When you open it up, all you can see is the bag. Feels good. Let's pull this out. Everything is packaged really tightly within the box, which is a good thing. That makes me feel like maybe it didn't move around too much when it was getting shipped. All the good stuff is going to be in here. Let's see what else is in the box. Okay, in the box we've got some manuals and some, well, I'm not quite sure what these are. Let's open them up and find out. All of their packaging is intensely sealed. What do we have in here? Oh, these look like the extra propellers. I'm assuming that's what's also inside of this, so I'm just gonna go ahead and keep this unopened. So they do have these marked differently. You have type A propellers and type B propellers. It looks like those go in specific spots on the drone. I'm not sure. Like I said, this is my first drone. I will be reading this entire manual to make sure I'm not doing anything stupid. Okay, so the bag that comes with the Fly More kit seems pretty nice. It's got a nice rubbery feel about the outside of it. It does have a shoulder strap. A top pouch. Oh, it opens up and shows all the goodies. Oh boy. There's also a front pouch. Too big, I don't know exactly what you'd be putting in there. Maybe some memory cards, I'm not sure. Let's take this out and see what's inside. Starting with the accessories box. Battery charger, the very sexy remote. Yeah, so if you buy one of these, make sure you have a pocket knife handy because all the packaging is very difficult to get into. Look at that controller. You know, a lot of people have talked about, I've seen a lot of reviews about how big this controller is. It really, it doesn't feel huge. I don't think that's gonna be too hard to fit into my bag. So on the bottom, these guys, those are the joysticks. What's next in the bag? Well, I guess it's just time to pull this out. Oh, look at that. I'm so excited. I've never even held a DJI drone before, so this is cool. It's actually a lot smaller than I was thinking it was going to be. I was really torn between this and the Mini because of size and being able to take it with me, but honestly, that is not too bad. Gimbal cover on the front and a ton of stickers that I have to take off. All right, so the battery charger looks like it can actually charge 3 batteries for this. That's pretty cool. Let's see what's inside of the accessory box. Again, everything packaged very tight. One of the extra batteries. The battery's got some weight to it. Power button there, release buttons on the sides, power cable, power brick, another battery. Look at that. So the Fly More kit actually comes with 3 batteries, which at a max flight time of, I believe, 34 minutes, gives you an hour and a half you can go fly the drone. I'm starting to get seriously excited. So many things inside of this kit. Okay, I'm actually gonna read the back of the box to make sure I didn't miss anything. Secret compartment. Top of the bag. More stuff. Compartments everywhere. Let's see what we have here. Appears to be a single space adapter. It says power bank adapter, and it does have 2 USB type A outs on there. I'm wondering if you can't use one of your batteries to power like your cell phone or something like that. I'll have to do some more research, figure out what that does. What is this? It's a set of filters. They are ND filters, ND 16, 64, and 256. So you should be able to control the light a little bit better if it's super bright outside, or get that slower shutter speed. That's a nice touch. Cables and different adapters to be able to use different phones with the controller. What is this? No, those are extra joysticks. Let's go. So if you lose one, you get 2 more in there. There you have it. This is everything that I found inside of the box. It's a lot of stuff, and I'm really excited to play with it. I've never used a drone before, so this is gonna be a huge learning experience for me, but what can I say? I'm pumped. Boom, I am back, and I just got back from the inaugural test flight of the DJI Mavic Air 2. It was cool. It was fun. I have never flown a drone before. I guess I've flown like a little toy drone, but nothing like this. It was pretty windy outside. It seemed like it didn't have any kind of problem getting around in that. It was super fast, super intuitive, and I'm really excited to be able to level up my production value with something like this and really hopefully add a little bit more value to my videos. So that's all I got for you today, guys. Thanks as always for watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button below, give me a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments, have you ever flown a drone? Do you want a drone? Is this something you're interested in? And I will see you guys in the next video. Take care.